Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be replacing the brake on the Razor EXR electric scooter. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 20 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a 4mm Allen wrench, and a 5mm Allen wrench. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, disassemble the deck and the headlight. Step 2, remove the brake. Step 3, install your new brake. And Step 4, reassemble the deck and the headlight. Now let's get started on Step 1, disassembling the deck and the headlight. Now, as with working on any electric product, always make sure to turn off the power before you begin. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 bolts on the top of the deck. With the 6 bolts removed, use your 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 remaining bolts. The remaining 2 bolts are out. Now let's remove the deck. Simply lift straight up and set it aside. In the battery tray, you'll notice 2 cables coming from the front, one of which has a connector in the middle. This is your main line. Lift the main line up, loosening the tension in the line. This will make it easier to work on the headlight. Using your 2.5mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts underneath the headlight. The bolts are small, so make sure not to lose them. Once all 4 bolts are removed, we can open up the headlight. Lift the top section straight up and remove the bottom 2 sides. And set them aside. Now we can finagle the wires out. Grab the wires and wiggle them straight up and out of the hole. With the wires pulled out, you'll notice 4 connectors. Now we have to unplug the brake. The brake wire is the red one. You'll notice all the plugs are black from the outside, but if you separate them a little bit, you'll see a color on the inside. When you find the red plug, separate. And that concludes Step 1, disassembling the deck and the headlight. Now on to Step 2, removing the brake. First, let's remove the grip. Twist and pull the grip straight off. And set it aside. Down at the back wheel, we have to loosen the brake cable. Using your 5mm Allen wrench, loosen the bolt that secures the cable. With the bolt loose, we can now disconnect the cable from the lever. Pull the cable out, slide it upward, pull the lever, and slide the pin out of the lever. Now using your 5mm Allen wrench, loosen the bolt on the bottom of the brake. With the bolt loose, we can slide the brake lever straight off. Route the wire underneath the grommet. And that concludes Step 2, removing the brake. Now on to Step 3, installing your new brake. Slide the brake lever on. Route the wire under the grommet. Take your brake cable, pull the lever down, insert the pin into the brake lever, and route the cable. Now we can secure the brake cable. Pull the lever up and pull the slack out of the brake line. And using your 5mm Allen wrench, tighten the bolt down. Now reinstall the grip. Just slide it straight on. With the grip all the way on, we can tighten down the brake lever. Take your 5mm Allen wrench, position the lever where you want it, and tighten down the bolt on the bottom of the lever. Now reconnect the plug that you disconnected earlier. And that concludes step 3, installing your new brake. Now on to step 4, reassembling the deck and the headlight. First, let's route the wires back into the bars. Just slide them on in. And place your new headlight on top, sliding it into the grommet. Now let's reinstall the 2 bottom pieces. The bigger piece goes on the left. Make sure all the grommets are lined up. This can be a little tricky, but keep at it, you'll get it. Once everything's all lined up in the grommets, you have it on correctly. So using your 2.5mm Allen wrench, reinstall the 4 bolts on the bottom. With all 4 bolts secure, let's move on to the deck. Grab your deck lid and set it on top. Make sure the back of the deck goes over the metal tabs in the frame. Using your Phillips screwdriver, reinstall the 6 bolts on the top. Insert the back 2 bolts through the deck lid and the metal frame, and then tighten them down into the brake light. With the 6 Phillips bolts secure, we can move on to the Allen bolts. Install them on the sides and tighten them down with your 4mm Allen wrench. With the deck secured, that concludes step 4, reassembling the deck and the headlight. Now hit that power switch and make sure it works. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. But if you are still having any other troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. Now take your EXR out for a spin, and don't forget to wear a helmet. Bye-bye.